Pipette Mini is a smart pipette that has won 3 top international industrial design awards and is compact, lightweight, accurate, and intelligent. Here is an introduction to the basic operations of the Pipette Mini. This is the recommended grip. Put right index finger on trigger button. Press and hold trigger button for 3 seconds to power on. Automatic calibration occurs upon startup. Pipette Mini has 5 physical buttons. Trigger button, quick setting button, tip ejector button, AI voice command button. Long press to activate it.
Set volume to 100, dispense 10 times, speed 7.
Pipette Mini supports 3 functional modes and wireless connectivity. General settings can be customized. Via Lab app, you can fully control all functions of Pipette Mini. Adjust parameters, configure pipetting modes, view current device info, calibration and operation logs, and firmware upgrades, records and exports experimental logs and data. The Lab app also lets you view detailed tutorials for each function, with pipette-related FAQs and answers below.